All right, so in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to hook up your privacy policy page to your landing pages. So I'm going to use the seller landing page as well as the buyer landing page as examples. So let's go ahead over to pages. Then we're going to go to all pages here. And as I've mentioned, at this point, your privacy policy page should be set. So in order to check that, just go to the top search bar where it says search pages and type in privacy and then click on search pages. And as you can see, my privacy policy page is already set. I'm going to go ahead and leave that there. And what I am going to do is go back out and I'm going to go back to the main page that has my buyer landing page and my seller landing page. That's what you would do. In this case, my buyer landing page and my seller landing page already popped up. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is start with the seller landing page, and I'm going to go to edit with page builder. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And once I click on that link, as you can see, the template for my seller landing page actually shows up. What I'm going to do is scroll down until I see 100% privacy guarantee underneath my form code. Now, in order for me to link my page, I'm going to click on this box here, and I'm going to see a box pop up on the left-hand side of the page. As you can see, it's already linked. But I want to show you exactly how to do it. So let me just change the color of this real quick so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hover over. I'm going to highlight privacy guarantee. I'm going to click on this button here. I'm just going to get rid of this so you can see exactly how I do it. I'm going to unlink it. So right now the page is unlinked. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this privacy guarantee, and then I'm going to go up to where it has the link here. It says insert link or edit link. I'm going to click on that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to where it has link options, the gear button. I'm going to click on the gear, and then as you can see, another page actually pops up. I'm going to first off click on where it says open link in a tab. I definitely want to do that. So I'm going to click that. Then on the search URL, this is where you can paste any link that you want. But since the page is already set, we don't necessarily need to paste the link. So I'm going to go down to where it says search right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that box. And I'm just going to type in privacy. And as you can see, when I start typing in privacy, the privacy policy page pops up. So I'm just going to click on privacy policy right there. And up at the top where the URL link is, you can see the link for that page automatically goes into the URL box. So now all I'm going to do is go down to the bottom where it says add link. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that button. And now my privacy policy page is linked to my privacy guarantee underneath the opt-in form. Now I want to make sure that my privacy guarantee can be seen by our visitors to the web page. As you can see, if you look on this side, we can't necessarily see it because it's black. So I'm just going to change the color so that it can be seen. So I'm going to highlight privacy guarantee on the left-hand side in the box again. And then I'm going to change the color. So up where it says text color, you have an A with a black line underneath it. I'm going to click the drop down. And I'm just going to select the color that I want it to be. I want it to be white. So I'm going to select white. And as you can see, if I go over to the page again, to the actual privacy policy link on the template, you can see it's now white, so I can see it. All right, so I'm going to click on update, and right next to update there's an eye. It allows me to preview the changes. I'm going to click on the eye, and once the page pops up, I'm just going to scroll down, and as you can see, I can now see the privacy guarantee right here. And if I click on it, another page will pop up and it brings up my privacy policy. So that's how you do it on the seller page. Now let me show you how to do it on the buyer's page as well. So I'm going to go back out to the main dashboard. In fact, I don't necessarily need to go to the main dashboard. I just need to get to the pages tab. I'm going to click on all pages again. And now I'm going to go to my buyer's website. So I'm just going to click on edit with page builder for my buyer's landing page. And as you can see, I've already added the privacy policy in this page. And just to explain how I did it, all I did was add text editor, grabbed it, I dropped it into the page itself, and I followed the same exact steps as the seller landing page. So in this case, I made the privacy policy gray rather than white. So you would do the same thing on all pages that you set up, that you look to add a privacy policy to that page. Now, one final thing that you want to make sure you want to do, just going back out to the main dashboard, you want to make sure that you have the privacy policy on your main property page as well. So for example, if I go to my privacy policy page on my main property website, right now we're on the main property website. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom, right now you can't see it. I actually gotta do something about that. But right here is the privacy policy. Okay. What I'm going to do is link this privacy policy. I'm going to show you how I did this on the property page. And you can link it up at the top as well. I don't think it's necessary to be up at the top, but you definitely at least want to have it at the bottom. All right. So in order to do that, what you need to do is go out to the main dashboard or whatever part of the dashboard you're on. You want to go to where it says pages, and you want to go down to where it says menus. Once you go down to where it says menus, all you need to do is make sure that the menu that you're editing says main footer menu right here, main footer menu. Then you simply want to click on search underneath add menu right here. Under pages, you want to go to search, and you simply want to start typing in privacy policy. And what will happen is the privacy page will show up. You can see it right here. All you got to do is select that, and then you click add to menu. And as you can see, the privacy policy page will show up there. So if I decided to simply remove this link here, I can, because that was a custom link that I set up. And I have the privacy policy page in there. It's the same exact page, but it's just the way I set it up. I used the custom links at first to do it, but you can do it either way. And just click on save menu. And then if I go back to the main property page and I click on, I refresh the page, you can see that the privacy policy link actually shows up at the bottom right there. All right, so if I click on that, it'll take me directly to the privacy policy page. I'm going to go back to the main page here. And there you have it. That's how you link your privacy policy page to your web pages.